I'm going to show you how to buy a house and a Mercedes in the same day, without tanking your mortgage. This is the same-day win blueprint. Step 1. Lock your mortgage first. Get fully underwritten pre-approval, not just a pre-qual. Submit pay stubs, W-2s, bank statements. You want clear to close or at least a loan commitment with conditions you can actually satisfy. Step 2. Freeze your credit moves. No new cards. No car inquiries. No random furniture financing. Your lender will soft pull again before closing. Don't trigger alarms. Step 3. Separate money buckets. House money stays house money. That's your verified down payment. Closing costs. Reserves. Car money is extra, ideally cash you didn't use to qualify, or a lease you'll sign after the house closes. Step 4. Timeline the day. 8 to 30 a.m. Final walkthrough of the house. 9 to 0 a.m. Insurance active. Home policy binder sent to lender. 10:00 a.m. Closing at the title office. Bring a cashier's check or wire that was confirmed by calling the number on the official website. 11:30 a.m. Receive keys. That's the milestone. You are now closed. 12:00 p.m. Lunch and breathe. 1 to 30 p.m. Head to the Mercedes dealership with proof of funds if paying cash, or finalize a lease on purchase only if you're not impacting your mortgage because it's already closed. 3:00 p.m. Drive home in your car to your new driveway. Step 5. If you're financing the car, timing is everything. Do not let a dealer shotgun your credit before the house closes. If you must finance, schedule the application for after you sign the house documents and the deed is recorded. Better yet, get a credit union pre-approval ready, but don't trigger it until you own the house. Step 6. Negotiate fast. Ask for the out-the-door price in writing, car, tax, title, doc fee. Say you'll sign today if they hit your number. Keep it simple. No add-ons you don't need. Step 7. Paperwork stack. House. Closing disclosure. Note, deed, wire receipt. Car. Buyer's order, OTD price. Financing lease terms, no hard pulls pre-house. Insurance. Home and auto ready. Bundle later for a discount. Step 8. Backup plan. If the house closing delays, don't sign the car. Protect your debt-to-income ratio until the keys are in your hand. Pro tips. Schedule everything mid-month, mid-week. Banks are faster. Bring 2 IDs. Confirm wire instructions by phone. Take delivery of the car after the mortgage funds. That's the same-day win blueprint. Lock the loan, close the house, then grab the keys to the Mercedes, all in one day without blowing up your approval. You got this.